Hello guys, today I will show you how to earn Google Play points. So, with Google Play points, you can earn points on purchases and redeem them for in-app items, discounts and more. So in this video, I will show you how to earn Google Play points quickly and easily. The first step is navigating to Google Play Store. After opening the Play Store, you will see this page. Here, you will see your Google Play points just at the top, that is through this icon. Now, the first way to do this is joining the Google Play Points program. After opening the Google Play Store on your Android device, tap on your profile icon, then select Play Points. That is just right here. After this, it is going to open up this page. Now you can see the first way to do this is clicking on this icon and it will show up this page. As you can see, you get 1 play point for every 5 rupees spent. Now in your currency, it could be some other amount. So, spend money to earn more Google Play points. Also, after upgrading to another level that is silver, you will get 1.1 play points for every 5 rupee spent. And as this level goes higher, you will get more points easily. Now go back and you can earn points on purchases. So you can earn points on every time you buy apps, games, movies, books or subscriptions on Google Play. In order to explore this, you have this page where you can see when you navigate to categories, you can see we have action, adventure, arcade and different kind of categories for games. You also get categories for apps and books. So whenever you buy something, you'll get a play point associated with it and you will see that play point shown just right here. Navigate to this page again. Now another way to earn points is navigating to this tab and in the earn section, you will see different tasks available. It says special earn rates. The higher earn rate will be applied. Now, when you click on this task and click on install, you will get Google Play points. Now, you can navigate to the use section here and you can spend your play points just from this section. Now, when you navigate to perks, you can also click on the claim button here through which you can get 3 months of Play Pass easily. Now, another way through which you can earn points is completing bonus activities. Google Play often offers weekly promotions where you can earn extra points on specific purchases. Keep an eye out for limited time multipliers, which gives bonus points for buying apps or games. Now, fourth way to do this is earning points from free activities. Some free games and apps offers points when you download or play them. Check the Google Play points page regularly for special tasks and events. That is this page. Now, another way to do this is leveling up for more rewards. So as your tier level goes up, that is bronze, silver, gold and platinum, this will determine how many play points you will earn at every penny spent. Higher level gets more bonus points and better perks. So that's how you can earn Google Play points fast. Use these tips to maximize your rewards and start redeeming them for discounts and in-app purchases. If this guide helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips.